everyone. So I'm very excited. We are going to perform a penetration test over Sirol machine. It's a hard level, so it's for me it's not harder machine, but you need follow my rule, the rule that I explained some weeks ago. I explained it that if there are uncommon service or there are uncommon things at the operative system software, something new, go to this way because this is the clue, and you are going to hack the machine uh, using this way, or is a clue for perform the penetration test. So this is the streaming folder. We go inside to Sirol machine. We're going to create the working directories. Inside of nmap, the first one, it perform the recognition over this IP that I think that is the same IP that they touched before. Fast TCP scan, like in the other machines. So SSH, the usual service. HTTP, the usual service. MySQL, the usual service. What is this for? It's something different. So go to this way. It's something different. So we can using this one, and voila. What is this? Kibana. So I don't know that Kibana has vulnerabilities. So at this point, you can try to review with search exploit. The more quickly way, Kibana. So it's a CSV injection for Windows. This is not for us. So at this point, Kibana exploit, like this. So this is the perfect exploit for Kibana remote code execution, 2 ways by Python. So the first one explained you how to perform this exploit or this penetration test or remote code execution using Time of Kibana. So it seems that this feature for review the inject during a period of time is vulnerable to an injection here. So I test this one and work perfect. So you only need to do git clone minus git clone this one, cd inside of CVE, here you can do Python 3 and this one, no CVE. This exploit not exist. CVE like this, and say you minus u, the URL of the service. So is this one. Another parameter without the final slash, okay. host is your attacker machine. If config, this one, yes. Port is the port when you are listening, for example, this one, netcat at 80 port. So 80 port. This is all by now. We can check it and say cannot parent to do. This is because it's in Python, not in Python 3. So it said to you, maybe exist the CVE at Kibana with version lower than this. So we can use -cell option, and voila, we have a cell. Who am I? Root. ID root. So here there is something different. What is this? This is the service name, or what is this? The first one, you can go to home directory and review. This is trend user. Go inside of trend user, and this is the local txt. Okay, this is the local flag. Right now, go to the root directory because we are root user directly. So it's a Kibana, YAML, init file. So if you review kibana.yaml, it's a how to launch with Elasticsearch at local and so on. And the init is the same. So if you go to root directory and review, like this, you can find docker environment at the root folder. And if you review IP address, it's a broadcast and local host. So there are not the host name, there are not the Sirol host. So this is something strange, no? And where is the root flag, the proof.txt? So you are inside, we're inside of a Docker that is inside of the, it's a container inside of the Sirol machine. So we can perform fdisk -l. You can find this one. So we are going to encode here at mmount root, and inside of we can mount the dev sda1 inside of mount root folder. So if you go to mount root folder, voila, this is the file system of the operative system, and you go to root, and this is the proof.txt. Not difficult, but you need to have the lateral movement is something different than other machines, but this is all. Cache SRC. This is all for this machine. I see you in the next video.